This is a 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, roof rails, dusk-sensing headlights, external temperature display, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.